Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making tamarind paste. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We take our tamarind pods, then we remove the peel and the stringy part. Put them in a bowl. I use tamarind paste to make my Bestcestershire sauce, my vegan Worcestershire sauce. And tamarind is also great to use to make some nice sauces, like for samosa, and it adds a nice flavor to some curries. I like to buy the pods and do this, but you can also buy it in paste form at your Asian grocer. That takes about 10 minutes to deshell. Once that's done, we're going to pour hot water on it, cover it with a lid, and let it soak for about an hour. Okay. Now we're going to cover with hot water, cover with a plate. The tamarind pods have been soaking for an hour. We're going to take the pods and push them through a sieve. Once that is done, we now have 1 cup of tamarind paste. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.